Okay, get ready to put the power steering pump pulley on the 66 T-Bird. So we can get that all cleaned up. Gotta pull that line off. Get that line cleaned up. Bolted on here. So everything ready to go. That can go into the core box.
Yay! Oh, so I'm gonna get the, you ready to print a label for the fork?
Yes, please. Oh my God, that's scary.
Right?
But, yeah.
The
So
mileage may vary, that's pretty ugly.
it only has like 5 body counts.
What?
But anyways, so
I'm sure
yeah,
I've gotten
I'll
more
show
than
you.
ever have, sir.
I'll show you the aftermath. All right, power steering pulley's on. Got the light off the other one, so we can give that a nice cleaning. And that's all done. Put that up. Ship the core off. Be happy. Well, I'll get this done. Put it away. And then I think the pan will be ready to put on the 67 Imperial. So we can get some fluid in that. I can do the other upper control arm. And make this bad boy roll. Okay, guys. Got this cleaned up. Notice, nice and tight. I don't have it tight, but it doesn't wiggle. Go take it to the new one, which I think that fitting is a little bit taller than that fitting. So, sorry guys, trying to work and record at the same time. Same amount, and it wiggles, so it's not tight. So I think we're gonna take this fitting out of this one, clean it up, and put it in this guy. So we'll be good to go. So we'll show you the aftermath in a little bit.